and making some thick burgers. Getting fueled up. Look at those bad boys. Look how thickums. Those are thickums right there. We're gonna get after it tomorrow morning. Gotta wake up at like 4, long drive, because I wanna be around for the premiere of Shark Tank. So let's go. What is up? It is 5 in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. We are about to set sail to go to Quandary Peak. Breakfast sandwich, ready to rock and roll. Gonna eat this probably in about an hour. I'm gonna pick up a PSL, AKA, for you noobs that don't know, pumpkin spice latte. I usually don't buy coffee because it's an absurd waste of money, but on run days, gotta treat yourself something. Is it open? It is 5:30 and a man needs his pumpkin. Oh, there's a man. There's a man. There is a man. Sir, are we open? Find out. Oh yeah, son. PSL. It's my representation of how I feel when PSL enters my veins. Let's go! Small problem. I only have one glove. Yeah, not good. Oh. Great, and my coffee spilled in my backseat. Wait, without the glove. Wake up. Oh yeah, heavy boy. We got a heavy boy. Oh shit. All right, so as you can see, it is a beautiful morning here for a nice 14er. Oh, I have so much shit in here. Let's have a day. We are out, baby. Tina, see you later. Real quick, give us a quick breakdown. Let's see what we got today. Go.
On today's run, we will cover 13.5 miles and 3,450 feet of elevation gain.
Wait.
The wind is going to be some of the worst you have ever seen. Please be careful once you have summited.
Word. All right, we're gonna have a day. Right now, I think it's like 7:15, something like that. It's cold. It's really cold. My fingers are freezing, but you know what? It's cool. We're gonna run, we're gonna get hot. We're gonna have a sick freaking day. Let's get after it. All right, we'll do some morning questions. So your common Karen always asks, aren't your knees gonna wear out by the age of 30? Well, Karen, no, because us badass ultra runners, instead of landing on our heel that your common marathon runner on pavement does, we land on our toe. So that puts all of the stress on our calf muscles, on our quads, on our hamstrings, rather than putting the stress on the joints. So, Karen, no, my knees aren't gonna die out. And you know what? Maybe if I take 5 years off my knees, running in 6 spots, testing my body, pushing myself to the brink of collapse, sure, I'll take that over not being able to run and do sick adventures any day of the week. Word to the wise, do not move to Colorado. It sucks. I'll give you 10 reasons why. The beer sucks, the people are mean, the views are awful, the weather is never sunny, rarely does it rain, you get all 4 seasons. You're at altitude, so you're acclimating your body. 7, it's the EDM capital of the world. I don't care what people say about California. We have red rocks. I can't think of any more, but I think that's 9. I'll think of more. So they said it is blow you over, level windy at the top, but that's how we like it. Friend. Now, whoa, fuck this wind. He said, I don't know if you could hear me, said that the wind near the top is 3 times what I'm standing in now, and it almost just blew me over. So if it gets to that point, I'm gonna go bear crawl to the top so I'm not falling over. On a rock. It's cold, man. The leash. You being bad? Honestly, the wind is not too bad up here, and the sun is warming me up. There we go. See that? That takes skill. Oh, we're about to get smacked by the wind. Here we go. Woo! Tina, come in. Paging Tina.
Yes? How can I assist you?
We are getting close to the top here. I'm told the wind is gnarly. Hell yeah. Cue the song, baby. Let's
Amazing.
go.
Let's rage.
Break it down.
All right, so we're back in the car. My GoPro died. That's why it went from peak back to car. So I'm a little pissed. I couldn't do West Ridge. It was just like the peak, like that kind of ridge with nothing but wind trying to push you off. And the ridge was extremely thin. Definitely not a day to do it when it's windy. I didn't want to be stupid, so I turned around. But I really want to see Blue Lake, so I'm going to run down Blue Lake Road. I think it's about 3 miles because I'm still feeling amazing, even after like 5.5 hours of running slash hiking. So I'm gonna run down Blue Lake. I'm gonna bring the drone with me and get some dope shots. That's what we're doing. All right, I put Trix cereal in a peanut butter sandwich, and the Trix went stale. Looking fine, baby. Oh! Tina, let's get a breakdown while I'm getting my Cheez-Its, please.
Run summary. Total gain of 4,100 feet. 15.67 miles ran. About 1,000 calories consumed. Great job. Good call on turning around at the ridge. Your grandmother would be proud.
I know. It's original. They didn't have extra toasty. Now that I'm eating original, they like suck compared to extra toasty. Tomorrow, I'm going to attempt to run 20 miles around a track, so that's 4 laps, equals a mile, and drink 20 White Claws after each mile. I really haven't been drinking that much. I definitely don't really like White Claws, and I'm at altitude, so it's definitely gonna be a hard challenge, but I'm super amped for it. I'm gonna link the video in this description or put it at the end card. But yeah, I'm feeling amazing. I'm excited. I'm gonna go home. I'm feeling wings, crush some wings. Probably go to bed pretty early, wake up, go shuffle, and live a freaking Saturday here in Colorado. You can't beat it. Thank you all for coming with me. I appreciate you joining the journey. Whatever tough problem you're going through, get up, look yourself in the mirror, tell yourself that you're a boss ass bitch, and get after it. That's all you need to do. Later.